My people, the matter where I get for una today. Hey, in fact, I no get name to give am. Anyhow, una fit swallow this matter, swallow am. E get one girl, him name na Chiamaka, him brother na Emeka. The atrocity wey these two commit, I never hear am before. Two of them join forces, kill makeup artist. That girl, innocent girl, name na Ijeoma. The Chiamaka come dey tell Emeka say she dey suspect say Ijeoma dey get something to do with her boyfriend. So therefore, he wan make him brother join hand, make they kill this girl, make they deal with am. And as they talk am, my people, na so e happen o. They come call the girl, you understand, because she be makeup artist. So they come call and say, okay, see, I wan make you come do my makeup o. If na you go na, because na your job. And the girl no even think any bad thing. Say, okay, na this thing go happen. She just go with her clear conscience. Na so she go now. Got no time for makeup. She even carry her makeup things. Are you not doing makeup again? Mba. Na so they carry acid. They force this girl make she drink acid. Human beings. Hi, abeg, for una wey no know wetin dey happen, because this matter as I dey talk to una now, dey court. Very serious thing. So join me, make we watch the video.
I don't mind that you are going to court. Stay here. That is okay. If I go to give that answer,
You people are supposed to for. You will provide them. All of you will die in the name of Jesus.
it's okay, madam.
You will perish.
Madam, it's okay now.
You will perish.
Madam, it's okay.
Abeg, see, who raised these people? Who raised these people? Like, hey, Chineke, Chiamaka and Emeka. Now, wow. So, as una two be blood brothers, one person no fit put sense inside another person head. Say, okay, at least, may if they possible, say one person fit change person mind. Two of una still just join, do this. May they investigate this family. Very heartless people. Heartless. Hi, Chineke. My people, I don't define definition of jealousy since. But the one way I see for dictionary, I don't like them. So I can't give her my own definition. Jealousy na the immediate younger brother of witchcraft. Jealousy. The kind things where jealousy fit do. Not be the one where dictionary they describe. Dictionary no sabi English. For person to reach this level, see how my body even they do me safe. Two siblings, demonic at once. You kill person because of man. Gundus. Abalamo. Gundus. Where, okay, now, as you don't kill him, he marry you. As you kill this girl, did that boyfriend when you kill him for, he come marry you, I become pay your bride price. We could just implicate on ourselves. And it is very possible, say, they don't even get anything, no. Maybe just friends. You understand? It is possible, say that girl mind self, not even they go say, they cheat on person. You understand? Now just die. Now see the video. See how the mama they shout. The mama even want run mad. Who know whether not the only picking where she see some people the kind things one they do Me, I no go talk past this one. I just dey wait for the result of this court. And if una wan know the result too, now for here, una go still find out. You understand? I know they smile now because I know they in a very good mood. But anyhow, another matter still dey here. Head wey refuse to learn book, na drugs e go carry. If una see drugs wey dey catch for one human being head, omo. Some people dey talented though. The thing plenty. E almost full one small basket. E put her inside, una know that cap. Ladies, all of una wey dey wear wig cap, you understand? That cap wey you go first wear before you use wig cap. Na there the woman store everything, no be small thing. she dey pass. She think say they no go catch am. Una know say for airport they use that thing take detect who carry something. When e reach her turn, na so they just catch the thing. Abeg make I no even start dey talk plenty because I know say many of una now don dey salivate. Abeg for una wey no know wetin wetin cocaine look like, you understand? And una no know who I dey talk about, join me make we watch the video.
Est-ce que Chine il faut qu'un autochtone gaz au pot?
Ouais, c'est bon. Voilà un petit. Rappelle-le ensemble.
Madame.
Drug dealers no get joy, oh. The woman even dey cover face, dey scratch hair. Who send you? You better face us now because nobody send you message, oh. Hey, if I dey remember how those drugs, how they package the thing, Charlie. Hey, and we dey here, people just dey everywhere. They talk say, "Hey, there's no money, there's no this one, there's no this one." See am. No, una don see am by una sef. Nobody wan go look for job. There's no job, there's no job. Where una don try? Now many of una go even come outside dey tell me, Madam Aproko, she get reason to do wetin she do. She get reason for what? Una go dey justify reason for people wey dey do evil things. Wetin una dey justify for this matter? She's a mother of children. She's a this one. She's a that one. She no know say she be mother of children. See, before una do some things, una better dey think, oh. Even if she do this thing for her family, una dey think of the people wey this drug go destroy. Yes, because definitely people wey go take this drug, they also get family. So by the time they take this drug now, they start dey worry the family start dey run helter-skelter, dey look for help. So as una only dey think of the woman, una no dey think of you pack cocaine, wrap am inside hair, of all places. My sister. Even people wey dey swallow and put inside stomach, they still dey catch them. Una no fit work for people. Una no. Now wetin some people dey talk, oh, they go tell you, I can't work under anybody. I cannot work for somebody. You cannot. Continue, they cannot. Continue. Now like this, all of una go end. All of una go end. So we where they work, you know they try tell us say we no get head. We dey useless. We no get anything to do with our time. Now wetin una they try tell us. Child. See, my people, they smart in any game where you want play. You understand? Because some things, not before this period. If not before where this woman do this thing, they feel no catch am. Now where everywhere, una know how the world don't do on your own. Like paper where they don't rumple. Like now like that the world they now. And no matter how you straighten, no rumple paper and try straighten, you no go straighten. Now like that the world they now. So any step where you take, watch. Anything wey you wan do, think. See now, how much una know the amount of this thing wey dey there, the money wey this woman for even make, how much she go even bill herself now? And then abeg, airport security people, because my question for una now be say, this thing now wey una don take, this cocaine wey una don find out, wetin dey use am do? Wetin una dey use? Me, I don always wan dey ask this question since. When police people catch person with something, they carry am. Abeg wetin una dey use am do? Na wetin me I wan know. Because now me I no dey trust anybody. Una don arrest woman now, but tomorrow this same reason why una arrest am, una go carry that thing go sell. I no trust una. I beg, make una investigate those people wey dey this airport. Very, very important. You understand? Investigate them. May we know where this cocaine dey travel go, where im destination be. Because I no go wan hear matter say if una know say una go use this cocaine go sell am, jejely release this woman because no difference. All of una can't be the same. I no go talk past this one. No, this woman now her matter don, in fact, it don't escalate because this one now it don't go viral. So everybody now go come they put mouth, they find how to make money from this case. My people, now the matter be that. But we get another interesting one here. If you now see Davido and Teni, hey, voila. See how Teni they chase Davido. They chase. I dey sure say for this girl life she never run like this before. They chase am, all in the name of it. Hey, feature me, let's do collabo. I beg, I don't bring una the video because I don't say many of una now. Una go start they attack me. Madam Aproko, you do this one, you do that one. I beg for una, we don't even know who be Teni. Una no know the video. And una never say Teni they run. Una no say she. I beg join me, make we watch the video.
Go stay for road. I swear to you.
I fought by fire.
When we dey grow, una remember say una parents go dey tell una, my child make money, my child make money. See am, but we no listen o. We no dey listen. That time if they dey talk am, mommy you are disturbing, mommy you are this. See am now, make money we no hear. See, only in the name of waiting, future me, collabo. Because of money. See how Teni they chase Davido in age mate. 28 years old, two of them we they see like this. Try. Davido even get mind. They call her my little sister. Little where? Which little sister? See how big this girl be. She only herself be like King Kong. You know how many Davido we fit get inside this girl? We remove one part Davido, another part Davido, another like 3 Davidos. Wait, they this girl body. They call her little sister. What an insult! Ah! Hey, Chiamaka, me, Davido, you too they cause problem. Una dey sure say all this thing wey this girl they do, you know be to stunt all these stunts wey this girl they do, no be to promote the album where they come for March this year. Album they come this year, so make una dey ready. And I dey sure say na the reason why she dey do all this follow. I beg my sister, we dey wait for the album. No waste time. You understand? But how many of una remember her former album? I go Shodi for your sake. Ngwanu. That one self, she even to say she go slap police for person case. I beg, this your new album, Biko, make sure say you tell us how the slap go. You understand? I want know because police, Nigeria police for now, where I know, where their eye don't tear, don't red. Go try slap them now. You slap police for your case. Try am. Now only you go come tell us how you end because now police people they harass people anyhow. I know you go even dey surprise. Hustle, make you know they chase your age mates. You understand? Make sure say you make money. They very important. Try. My people know me smarting on the matter where I bring for una be this Davido. I bet my brother no follow her hand. You understand? Assist your little sister. Assist am. We dey here. My people, I bet drop your comments for the comment section. I want to know what you think concerning this matter. It is very, very important. And make sure say you share this video. Make people know what they happen for here. Love you guys. See you later. Latest matter from Break and Pay Pastor. How many of you remember that man? My people in matter don't reach me. Or my bill I say this man for in church, they too they vex and they too they provoke him. The man no even that man, he they vex back to back. And as the thing they do, and that's why they release him. He no get time to they check who he offend, who he no offend. Now he don't come outside. According to I say, women will not submit to their husband. but they submit to their pastor, say they be hypocrites. Chai! Abeg, when una dey increase this volume so that these people go hear am loud. I no wan hear say people from the back no hear well, people from increase am o. Una don settle now. Very good, my people. For una wey no break and pay pastor, join me make we watch the video.
Who do not submit to their husbands at home but submit to their pastors are hypocrites. Go to church, you say, Daddy, Daddy. Who is your daddy? Who is your daddy? Daddy, 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 Daddy. You are bowing down to greet your pastor. You have never bowed down to greet your husband. You are a hypocrite.
Hey, una hear am? No, nah. The volume dey okay because if una no hear am, I need play this video back. It's una daddy. Not true. Daddy. Your father lost. You don't know where your papa dey. You go dey call pastor daddy. You go church, you call pastor daddy. But when you dey house, you dey call your husband papa ndubem. You no even feel dey romantic. You no even feel dey sweet. At least make your husband feel say this one. See, no be me talk am. No be this pastor self talk am. E dey your Bible. Women, abi wives, submit to your husband. E dey there. English no be my language. No be me write am. So for una wey no say una belong to this category wey this man dey talk about, if una no change, na be say okay, many of una sef maybe if e dey possible say una don marry. If you know say you dey single, you no get this submissive spirit, you no sabi submit. My sister, get ready because you are about to be single for the rest of your life. No man want another man for a house. I mean, no, my fellow brothers, what are they? You want another man as wife for your house? Where if you talk one, wife don't talk 10. No, nah, nobody want that. So every woman suppose they submissive. Some women, they go carry pastor for their head. Like in a gongoni pot. They go carry for public. Daddy. Go see them for their house. How they treat their husband. Now there you go know the real. What's happen? Person just tell me say feminists don't live, they don't work out come on. If una like make una go. I don't bring this matter, I don't bring it. And I hope say una hear am. Because feminists, they sabi run mouth. We cannot submit to anybody. We are independent. Now like this, they go for una. Now why una even they single up till now? Nobody say make you no call your pastor daddy. Nobody say make you no respect your pastor. But make you balance am. Give to Caesar what is for Caesar and to God what is for God. It's still the Bible. No be the one way you go call here, you behave like this, you go there, you behave. Balance the equation, make everybody. You understand? Even if the pastor na your age mate or na your friend, no call am daddy, but still because of that position, you need give am that respect. It dey very, very important too. See, women, and anytime I dey call na matter because it dey very, very important. Men dey old though, but now we dey old quick pass. You understand? The age where women they reach men up, some men still feel shoot. So una suppose bring una guard down. No too pride in yourself. You no go carry you go anywhere. No be me talking now. This man don't come outside, can't talk. And now all the men don't they come outside, they shout louder. No tell me louder anything. See, for the first thing they talk say women should submit. Submission no be slavery. The only of una now go come to confuse the thing. Come do this one. Submission no be slavery. No come turn your wife to slave. You understand? Make we learn and way. They very, very important. I like this man. This man, they give her back. You know, even they look with your color, your height, who you be, how much you put. And now like this, it's supposed they. Pastors, you are not supposed fear to they talk to your congregation or your members. Because now God put there. If you are not talk that day, you go stand before God. God go ask you, how come that day I tell you make you tell them this thing, you not tell them. No be from my mouth, you go hear them.